Rubik's Cube challenge. Let's see who solves the color blue first. Thiran finished.
No.
Appa's still working on it.
Okay, next color.
Okay.
Thiran gets 1 point, Appa 0. 6 colors, okay? Let's see
Okay.
who.
Next color is color white.
Okay, let's go.
Let's see if Appa finishes it first. Okay.
Thiran is 1 point, okay? Okay.
Okay. Next
2
the
points
color
to
is
0.
next the color is Kana. Yellow. Appa versus Thiran.
It's too slow.
Thiran is super focused.
This-
No. What you do?
No.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
3-0. Oh my god.
Next the color is green.
Green. Okay, ready, start 1, 2, 3. Oh, I have 3 greens. I'll put together. Oh no. I still have
4-0. Okay, next the color is red. Let's see who solves it first. Red.
so close. I'm gonna win this. Oh no, I'm so close.
You were
I
so
am so
close. Okay.
Last color.
So last is
5-0, right?
4-0. We finish everything orange again.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, orange.
Orange again. Yeah, 5-0.
No, it's like we didn't finish blue, right?
Yeah,
We
we
finished
did.
We
blue
did
too.
yellow,
Green, everything we finished.
white,
Yeah.
Yes.
and then
Orange again. Do it.
orange. Okay, ready, start. This is the last game, okay? I'm gonna win this.
I think Appa will have advantage. Let's see.
Look at this, I already have 6 oranges.
Hey, look. Thiran is gonna beat you.
No, he already has 7.
Look at him like moving those cubes.
This is the last orange. I don't see
He's not smiling. He finished it.